One of the key organs enshrined in the treaty that establishes the East African Community is the East African Court of Justice. It is entrusted with the responsibility of legal interpretation on matters affecting the East Africans. Today marks 20 years since the Regional Temple of Justice was introduced. The main celebrations are taking place in Burundi's city, Bujumbura. Law scholar Prof Fredrick Ssempebwa addressed the matter of the regional integration.
The monetary union and the federation, political federation. And both of them will never be achieved in your lifetime, I can predict.
Ssempebwa says that the principle of sovereign states and the variable geometry in the ESC treaty, if maintained, it is one of the major problems that is failing the attainment of the integration agenda.
Now and again you hear, Tanzania has chased away Kenya chicken from the border in their best interest. Kenya doesn't want Uganda milk, and Uganda doesn't want Kenya sugar, and so on and so on. Only needs commitment for the leadership in the states to ensure that they don't wave around this sovereignty where community matters are concerned.
In the 20 years history of this court that is based in Arusha, Tanzania, Professor Ssempebwa was the first lawyer in the region to file a case.
Andrew Mwatela, the very first case before the court, in order to settle this simmering dispute between council and Iyala. If it hadn't been settled at this early time, there would be continued conflicts, and one organ would think that it is superior to the other, and it would go on, and Iyala would be rendered useless.
Also in attendance was former Principal Judge, retired Justice James Ogola, who also discussed Ssempebwa's paper. Justice Ogola wants the community to set up a regional law development center to train legal practitioners. He also proposes the establishment of a regional judicial service commission that is independent from that of partner states in selecting the judges.
We should begin to explore the prospect of an East African LDC, which would teach the practical aspects of advocacy, especially at the ESCG.
The East African Community marks 20 years of the East African Court of Justice. The President of Burundi, Evariste Ndayishimiye, is expected to grace this occasion tomorrow. Jingo Francis, NTV, in Bujumbura, in the Republic of Burundi.